Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn exactly how to perform a 90-degree rotation counterclockwise. This is a fundamental concept in coordinate geometry that deals with transforming points and shapes on a graph. First, let us define what a rotation actually is. It is a transformation that turns a figure around a fixed point. For our purposes, that fixed point is the origin, 0, 0. The direction is counterclockwise, which means we turn against the direction of clock hands. The angle is 90 degrees, representing a quarter turn. Let's quickly review the coordinate plane. We have our x-axis running horizontally and our y-axis running vertically. These divide the plane into 4 quadrants. Notice the signs in each quadrant. In quadrant 1, both x and y are positive. When we rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise from here, we land in quadrant 2, where x is negative and y is positive. Think of a clock face to visualize this. If the minute hand is pointing at 3, which represents our positive x-axis, and we move it counterclockwise by 90 degrees, it will end up pointing at 12, which represents the positive y-axis. This quarter turn is the movement we are simulating with our coordinates. Here is the most important part of this lesson, the rule. To rotate a point x, y 90 degrees counterclockwise, the rule is to swap the coordinates and change the sign of the first one. So, x, y becomes negative y, x remember, first swap them, then negate the new first number. Let's try an example with point A at 3, 2. Applying our rule, we first swap the numbers to get 2, 3. Then, we change the sign of the first number. So, positive 2 becomes negative 2. Our new point, a prime, is located at negative 2, 3. Now let's look at a trickier example with point B at negative 4, 1. We start by swapping the coordinates to get 1, negative 4. Then, we change the sign of the first number. 1 becomes negative 1. So our rotated point B prime is at negative 1, negative 4. Notice how the negative sign from the original x simply moved to the second position. If you need to rotate an entire shape, like this triangle, don't worry. You simply perform the same process on each individual vertex. Rotate point A, then point B, then point C using the same rule. Connect the new dots, and you have your rotated shape. Why does this rule work? Geometrically, when you rotate 90 degrees, your horizontal distance from the origin becomes a vertical distance, which is yx and y swap. The negative sign appears because you are moving from a quadrant where x is positive to one where x is negative, or generally shifting the coordinate system 90 degrees to the left. To summarize, rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise is simple if you follow the steps. Start with your coordinates x, y swap them to get y, x then change the sign of the first number to get negative y. X always double-check your result by visualizing which quadrant the point should land in.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.